we're just going to go with some mirroring here very quickly.
Yep.
Okay.
I have a funny story. Okay. So many years ago, one of my early auditions was for a movie called 3000. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I wasn't sure who was talking.
So, yeah, we're doing Julia Roberts. Sorry. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good. That was probably a bit southern, but that was cool. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So this is Julia Roberts and Patricia
Okay.
Yep. Actors on actors, full conversation. It goes for 40 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I was going over a little bit of this as well too. So that's one that you want to just go. You can come over here.
Most people don't know, but 3000 was what the original Pretty Woman script was. Yes. And that movie was very dark. Mm-hmm.
Dark.
And the ending was really heavy. Threw her out of the car,
Threw her out of the car. Stay it. Her accent's heavier than the other girls. That's why I want you to do Julia Roberts, because you hook on quicker. Threw her out of the car.
Threw her. Is she saying through her?
Yeah, she says threw her out of the car, but she slanged it, so it's threw her out of the car.
Threw her out of the car.
That's it. That's why I'm saying slang. Where is it?
Slang?
Yeah, everything's slang.
Threw her out of the car.
Threw her out of the D's. Threw it out. And D threw her out of the. Threw out at city. It's city.
Yeah. City.
Threw her out of the car.
Threw her out of the car.
That's it. This is. I didn't do much research with this, but I remember just going with her. I actually went to Nicole Kidman, because Nicole Kidman through her career has got more and more and more of an American accent. She's married to an American.
Okay.
So you go back when she was really early in the BMX Bandits, she didn't have an American accent, but now her American accent is heavy just from living over there.
Actors and actors. Just kind of actor.
Yeah, actors on actors.
On top of her, as a
Top of her. This is gold. She's great.
I feel like she's speaking another language.
Top of her.
Top of her. Top of her.
That's it. She's got a bit of looks like she's got a bit of plastic surgery, I'd be saying, as well too. She looks quite lifted. Good on her. She's still hot though. I don't know when this is done. I haven't looked.
serves, and just sort of drove away, leaving her in some dirty alley.
That's great. Leaving her in some dirty alley.
Dirty alley.
These are R's and A's we were talking about.
Okay, this is great.
Dirty alley. You just want to copy this girl. That's what you want to do. This is about as good as it's going to get. Her accent's a lot stronger than the other lady.
And I love the other lady more.
Right, so it really read like kind of a dark, gritty art movie.
She's real slang. I can't even understand what a dark, broody.
And that's funny because I can understand her better than this one. That's what I was.
I had to think. Was it a dark, broody art movie?
No, this is what I mean. You understand her better, and I understand her better. How funny.
When you first read it,
This is disgusting, but anyway. Fucking cow on the ground. I'll fucking skin you, put you on the ground.
it was obviously that incarnation of it. I got that job.
I got that job.
I got that job.
I got that job.
What I'm doing this for, Karina,
Yeah.
is that her accent, her American accent is a lot thicker than this other girl's American accent. That's what I'm doing. So
Yeah, I think Patricia is actually more English than. I'll have to double check her background, but I'm pretty sure.
It sounds like she's been more down south, and Patricia's gone to like Harvard University.
The part in 3000. Right. And
Part in 3000. See, she didn't really emphasize that much American. It was part in 3000, and it was a little bit on the but not. If I want to really bend it, part 3000. See, I bent it more than what she did, but she went very quick.
over.
See her, you can see her mouth. I also picked her as well too, is because she has big ass lips.
Yeah, over.
And this girl's lips work more than the other girl's, Patricia's lips.
Yeah.
Fascinating. I love that you're asking me this question because
See when she goes in with your?
it relates to some of the questions that I have for you, but
For you. So it's just bending.
I had no business being in a movie like that, really. And
Really.
I get the part.
I get the part. I get the part.
I get the part.
No, you get part. I get the part. Part.
I get the part.
Part. I get the part.
Part.
Okay.
I get the part.
Just think you're gonna need a bit pirate for that. As you can hear with the American accent, if you study it,
Yeah.
the R is the number one thing.
Yeah.
And then the phrasing, then the A's. And there are other things on top of that. Or we haven't gone that New York. Or is another one that we're gonna work on. Worry. That's it. This girl's gold. Big lips. Emphasize her R's. In this conversation here, I only listened to about 2 minutes. But her phrasing is very good. Sometimes slow, sometimes fast, sometimes emphasizing things like I got the part,